The biggest risk I think you take is, you take a financial risk when it really comes down to it. You know, more than financial, you take a reputation risk. If you don't have the right tools, you forfeit your ability to get the job done. You can't get the job done without the right tools. Point blank, period. If you don't have the right tools, you forfeit productivity. You know, if you were supposed to come in and do something in 3 days, and you had a chop saw, which is like a big metal cutting saw that goes down one time, and instead you got the handy grinder, which is zzz, you'll lose 2 or 3 days, because the chop saw can make one cut, bang, but the grinder, you got to zing, and just that, you may have the chop saw give you a straight line, and the grinder, because you're holding it, will give you a crooked line. The chop saw, right? You can have a guy that's fairly trained, understand it really well. He put on some goggles, and all you gotta do is put it down. The grinder, because it has kickback, and because you're holding it, you put the men at risk. Because instead of giving them tools that's really designed best for the job, you're improvising with what you had. And construction's so task-oriented, it's so schedule-oriented, it's so cost-oriented, that people tend to do what it takes to get the job done. And if you don't have the right tools, you put someone's safety at risk, you put your ability to produce at risk, and you put the financial integrity of the company, of the project at risk.